Your content isn't boring. It's just all about you. Hi there, this is Carl White, and I'm here with your Wednesday tip. So if your social media isn't really getting traction, it's probably because your content might be a little bit boring. And what it might be is it's because your content is all about you, right? And people don't really care about like your jumbo guidelines or your rate sheets. What they care about is themselves, right? They care about themselves. So what you need to do is flip the script and talk about their problems, celebrate their wins, right? Tell stories that they relate to. Here's the big thing. Social media isn't meant to be a billboard. It's meant to be a conversation, or at least something that leads to a conversation, right? So when you're ready to have help turning your likes into leads, that's what we do. Just go to getmoreloans.com, and tell them, hey, how do I turn my likes into leads and my leads into closings? That's what we do. Getmoreloans.com. I'll see you on the inside.